Hey, how's it going, Facebook marketers? I'm Joey Kissimmee, founder of Slicer Apps and creator of FB Ad Slicer. Today I'm going to show you how I create high converting Facebook image ads with the FB Ad Slicer, which is a tool I created that allows you to create custom image ads on the fly for your Facebook ads. It's basically a web-based Photoshop, but a lot easier and cheaper to use. This is going to save you a ton of time, energy, and most importantly, a lot of money. So let's go ahead and begin. All right, so this is the actual Facebook Ad Slicer. This is the place where you're going to be creating all of your image ads. We have 3 different slicers, which is just the 3 different dimensions that Facebook recommends. Right here, this is the desktop version. We have the mobile version, which is just a little bit smaller. And then we have the big 1200 that a lot of people like to use. Okay, for the sake of this tutorial, we're going to go ahead and use the desktop version, which is the one that I personally use for all of my image ads. Okay, now there's really only 4 steps to creating an image ads, and in step 1 you can either choose one of our pre-made templates that we created for you, and we have a ton of templates for you to choose from, and all you got to do is just pick one, drag and drop it like I'm doing here. Okay, we have another one here. This is the mole ready template here. And all you got to do is once you find a template that you like, just go ahead and pick on any one of these fields here, like I'm doing here, and then you could just start editing as you please. You could change the image, the background color, and so forth. Okay, but for the sake of this video, and since we're going to show you how you can create one from scratch and on the fly and real quick, we're going to just start fresh. Okay, so the next step is to create your headline text that you're going to use within your ad. Now by default, every time you turn on your Facebook Ad Slicer, there's already a layer of text there, so we're going to go ahead and use that. I'm going to go up here and type in my headline text, which is how to create a Facebook ad. Right here you can choose a ton of font styles to choose from. I'm going to go ahead and stick with impact, change the font size to 30, center this baby up, take the italic out, and then just move it right up here. Okay, now the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and drag and drop some images like so. Okay, now that's a picture of me right there. I'm just going to go ahead and move that to the side. The button, that's the call to action button. I'm going to go ahead and move it here, and then the arrow right here. So now the next thing is I'm going to add some text right above that button, and I do that by clicking on this button right here. I'm going to go ahead and add my call to action, which is learn more. All right, I'm going to change the font style to Arial, change the font size to 25, center it, and then change it to black just so I could be able to see it when it's over the button. So I'm going to move it right over here, and that's pretty much it. The next thing to do is just go ahead and match the background color to my image so it could all look nice and pretty. And I do that by doing this like so. And that's pretty much it. That is my image ad. That's how easy and simple it is to create a real quick image ad on the fly. Now, real quick, all I got to do is make sure that this is in compliance with Facebook, and I'm within the 20% that they want. So real quick, I'm going to click on this grid tool here, and I'm just going to go ahead and click on these little boxes wherever the text is at. And right down here lets me know what percentage of the text I'm using within that image, and you can see that I'm at 24%. I'm 4% over the 20% that Facebook wants. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go ahead and edit this real quick. I'm going to start with the button, just with my arrow, click it like so. Do the same thing with the text, just move it along like that. And then do the same thing with the arrow, just move it up a bit just so it can look all nice and pretty. And then now I'm going to take away this little extra box there, and now you can see that I am within the 20% that Facebook wants. Okay, so that's pretty much it. This image ad is ready to go. All I have to do here is just download it and then upload it to my Facebook image ad and see how it converts. And if it doesn't convert well, or it's just not working at all, I could always come back in here and change something here. Maybe do another one that says learn how. Okay, or maybe change the text right up here, do just something different, change the picture from me to someone else that looks a lot more prettier. Okay, maybe the background color. But the point is that you can do this, you can create as many image ads as you want. You could split test a ton of them on the fly, and you don't have to keep spending time and money on having someone create them for you and have them edit it for you just to change one single word. Okay, and the best thing about this is that it's got a built-in grid tool. Now normally what you would have to do is create your image ad first, then go to the Facebook grid tool, upload it there like I'm doing so, and then depending on the speed of your internet, it might be fast, it might be slow. Then you're gonna have to do all this crap here, and then once you find out that you're not within the 20%, then you have to go back to your designer and have them edited, and that might cost you some money, maybe not. Okay, but with the built-in grid tool here that we have, it's all here, and if you need to make any changes, you can do it on the fly right before you do anything else. This is just going to save you a ton of time, energy, and money. So there you have it, folks. That's how I create Facebook image ads using the FB Ad Slicer with the built-in grid tool. This is going to save you a ton of time, energy, and money. You can create unlimited image ads. You can use this for your own personal use or for your own clients. To get instant access to the FB Ad Slicer, just click on that button that you see right there. It's a one-time fee. You own it for life. Plus, you have a rock solid, no questions asked, 30-day money-back guarantee. So that's pretty much it for me here. I'm Joey Kissimmee, and I look forward to seeing you in the members area.